Hi, this is Larry Kearney. I'd like to welcome everyone to my Profitpad review. Now, this is a new product just came out today. Now, this is designed to make you money. Now, reading from the page, it says it's making us $1,866 daily passively. Here's how you can replicate our success in 20 minutes. Now, this is an excellent course that was able to make you $1,800 today. That's questionable. They haven't really proved that, but it is an excellent course if you want to start making money online. Now, first of all, if you decide to purchase this course through my link, you're going to get 36 bonus courses worth over $12,000. These are video courses. You have one is a viral traffic blast, social media marketing, lead generation, marketing automation, Pinterest. Everyone should be on Pinterest. SEO training course, Facebook ad secrets, Google AdSense, profit tips and tricks. It goes on and on. Social media, TikTok, Instagram, Shopify, YouTube, SEO, Pinterest. So it's 36 courses. If you decide to purchase this course through my link, and I believe this course is running at $16 one-time payment, you will get over $12,000 of bonus courses, and it goes on and on. These are excellent courses, all of them. Launch jacking, Bing ad mastery. So let's get into the course. So I'm going to show you actually what's in the course so you get an idea. It's definitely worth it if you're trying to make money and you want to know the basic training. Now, this is, first of all, this is the Profitpad main page where you can import your accounts, like your Facebook, all your social media accounts, so because you can auto post it. It has a tab here to go through the different best products to sell. This is important here. It has an excellent page builder. Allow you to make your funnel pages, your squeeze pages. These are professional looking pages. They're hosted for you, so you don't have to buy hosting, nothing like that. And you can edit these pages as much as you want in terms of making them your own, or so it's a professional page editor, and it's so easy to use. Anybody can do it. Basically, it's typing. You can put your autoresponder in there, or if you have any type of autoresponder can be added. So this is important. It's set up so you can start making money. All these systems work. It's just a matter of do you have access to them now. This is an easy way to get access to them, because some page builders and programs like this cost $100 a month, $200 a month, and it has over 100 traffic sources that once you make the page, you'll be able to submit your landing page, your squeeze page, your bridge page to it to actually make money without spending money on ads. It has a Facebook posting system here. This alone will cost you $5,200 a month if you get it through some other company. For multimedia posting, post your regular posts, your videos for you automatically. You got the auto pilot for comments, replies. So this is high tech stuff that a lot of people have used it in other systems, but this is all in one page. So you're getting a bargain here for $16. It also has a Instagram posting system. When you're able to create your posts, this system automates the posting. So auto reply, campaign reports, hashtag search. So this is extremely beneficial to get you a lot of traffic, and also all that's important to have the right hosting and splash page, squeeze page, collecting emails. But also it has training. It has a number of training modules here, and it has a separate page for training here. That's another page, and this is important because it's giving you all the bells and whistles you need to do the funnels, things like that. Now it has a section shows you how to set up your landing pages, your squeeze pages, your bridge pages. Also goes into traffic, shows the best paid traffic. It already has the free traffic here in terms of all these different networks. So you have a lot of information here, folks, but it has everything you need to start making money online. If you're not making money online, this is one of the best programs I've seen this year to help you through the process of making money. And it has the paid traffic, and keep in mind it has the free traffic if you don't have a budget for. And this James, the guy that put this course together, he's been making money for years online. It's dependable. And just look at the course here. Everything you could possibly imagine to help you start making money today is here. So definitely would check it out. As I said, it's only I believe it's $16 at this point. $16.97. Comes with a 100-day money back guarantee. So I would if you're not making money online now, this is definitely a course to buy. Order today, get it started, and obviously you had to do some work here, do a little bit of work here to get started, but it's giving you the page builder, which, as I said before, other places this is $100, and this hosts your page for you. So everything you need is here. You can get started making money today. The only thing you probably need, other than what's here already, is an autoresponder to get response or AdWeber. They usually have a 30-day free trial, or you may have one already, but this is going to get you started. If you're not making money now, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, Larry Kearney, thank you for reviewing or watching my video on Profitpad review. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Click the link below to get started. I will see you in the next video.